Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. Today is a nice one. Let's see. Okay, you see it has its own effect and I'm really into creating that. I'm going to give you some tips on how to create that and that's all it. Okay. At first you need to insert a blank space and create these things, this effect. So how we can create it? It's really easy. It's just need a text. Okay, the text, and in it a shape. It's important, not very important to how size it is, but it's a shape. And after that, just write a 1 in that and go to home and change the font to Overdrive Sunset and increase it to 90 or more. Let's change it to Overdrive Sunset. Okay, I don't see the problem. Why it's, oh, I understand now. Change it to Overdrive Sunset, format the shape, and make it the shadows inner shadow, and in the shape format, remove the outline. Or you can delete also the shape shadows if you want and change the shadows to this way. Select your text, give your text some shadow if you want. It's up to you. It can look great and look bad. It's up to you. After that, create 4 of these shapes like this. And after creating 4 of them, paste the text in them. And then this is just a white text. You need, let me show you. You need to, let me format the background to gradient fill for you to better see. You need to create a all text in white in these shapes and these rectangles, nothing more. Okay, after doing that, you need to copy this slide. And in the copy, you need to just simply reduce its size. But don't forget, you need to reduce the size by the order. Three and 2. You see, not the text. You need to select the shape. And it's going to be hard sometimes. And I don't know how to select that, but it's easy. I'll reduce it in size and select it. Then create another copy of that. Reduce the size. And in the last slide, select all of them. Here, copy that. Select all of them. And align them center and middle. Then select this and delete them. And write your text on the top. Sorry, here, the top. And just simply set the transition to morph and set it after 0.0 second. Now let's take a look. It's looked pretty amazing. If you like it, don't forget to tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.